If you are still using manual methods to manage your production, you probably have to handle huge piles of papers and spend a lot of time looking for information to feed your system. Because of this, you have to deal with the risk of misinterpreting work orders, negatively impacting your results. TRACTIAN allows you to take your maintenance management to the next level through automation and optimization. With TRACTIAN, you will be able to put the chaos of stacks of papers and manual processes behind you and have all your work orders centralized in one single place. Let's see how it works. You can use the chat in real time and keep up with the work orders remotely. So I'm going to open up a work order. It's possible to add what needs to be done, such as lubricate motor and fan bearings. Then you can add a picture. Add the standard procedures to work on this machine. And you can even customize fields to classify the work order. This process can be done anytime, anywhere. We know that on-site maintenance technicians need to be able to access the work order software as fast as possible. And with TRACTIAN, it's much easier. Check this out. Once an imbalance warning is generated by our smart sensor, it's possible to automatically create a work order to inspect the problem. This is the power of integrating our IoT asset tracking sensors with TRACTIAN. You can create, manage, and update your work orders with real-time communication through your phone or computer. Very easy to set up. If you're planning to leave pen and paper in the past and want to implement a CMMS solution, we can help. Schedule a demo to see for yourself how easy it is to start using TRACTIAN. See you!